Match Fishtank Unit 6, Lesson 7. So in this lesson, we're going to be looking at some multi-part equations for some more complicated situations. There's a lot of different ways to make these. So of course, I'm only going to show you one way. Please, please, please remember that there's a variety of ways to do this. So if I'm looking at the Jonas family and I'm trying to set up an equation for them, I'm going to remember that they had gone 20 miles. So one thing that helps me is just taking notes. All right, so as I scroll down here to give myself a little more room, I see that 20 miles can be drawn on the grid this way. So here my blue is going to be the distance going out. The tennis courts from home are 1 unit of distance, and I'm going to call that T. So to get out to the soccer field, they have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 T. And then to get home from the soccer field, they have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 T. And I know that there are 20 miles altogether. So that means that 10T is equal to 20. And I'm going to move over to this side just because I'm out of room since I'm writing with my finger here. I can solve this by dividing each side by 10. So 10 over 10. T on my left is equal to 20 divided by 10T on my right. And that means that T is equal to 2 miles. So the tennis courts are 2 miles from home. For Sierra walking her dog, Pepper, I know the evening walk is 2.5 times the morning walk. So I'm going to use, since it asked me how long is the morning walk, I'm going to say that my evening walk is 2.5 times the morning walk. And I know that she's going to do 7 days, and each of the 7 days is going to have a morning walk and an evening walk, which is 2.5 times the length of the morning walk. And then we're going to multiply that by 7 because she goes for 7 different days. So, and all of that is 30 miles. So now I'm going to combine all of these things and simplify them as much as I can. So first I'm going to take a look at what's inside the parentheses. I have the morning walk and 2.5 times the morning walk. So that means that I have 3.5 distances of the morning walk. She went on one of those distances here, 2.5 of those distances in the evening. So 3.5 distances total. And she does that every day for 7 days in a week to equal 30. Okay, so now I can just multiply here. I could have also done it with the distributive property, and it should give me the same answer there. So I have 21 plus 3.5 is what 7 times 3.5 is equal to. So that's going to give me 24.5. M equals 30. And then I'm running out of time here, but I can divide each side by 24.5 to come up with the answer of M.